Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jake with RI Home Security, and today we're going to answer the top questions that we're asked about home network setup. How do you get online? What's this router thing? Is my Wi-Fi really this bad? Download speed, I have no idea what it is. How can I keep my kids safe online? And the guest network, what's that all about? We'll answer those questions and many, many more during this series, so check it out. Alright, so today we have 3 tips to improve the Wi-Fi speed and signal strength in your home. Tip number 1 is all about router placement. You want to do your best to get that router placed somewhere centralized in the house. You want to have the router usually about 36 inches off the floor. I go into people's houses, I see the router behind the TV or somewhere in the entertainment center. Chances are, just by moving that out into the open, giving it kind of like a 2-foot radius around the router, you're going to see a significant increase in your signal strength and distance. You want to make sure that there's as little walls or obstructions as possible in between that Wi-Fi router and a device, let's say like a laptop, that's always going to be in the office. Alright, so tip number 2 is selecting the right band on your router. You may not know what that is. Most routers nowadays, like brand new ones coming from Verizon or Cox here in Rhode Island, have what's called bands steering. Sometimes it works out to your advantage, other times not so much, right? So if you do have the opportunity, select the correct band for your situation and for your device. There's a 2.4 gigahertz band. That's going to give you a slower speed, slower bandwidth, about 150 megabits per second. But it's going to be much better at penetrating through the walls and going a much farther distance. And the other option is the 5G. 5G is about 10 times as fast as the 2.4 as far as speed goes. You're going to get 1 gigabit per second. That's 1,000 megabits per second. But not as good with distance and penetrating through the wall. So when you have the opportunity and you're out on a device like a laptop that's going to be in the office all the time, select the device that makes the most sense for you. Alright, now tip number 3 is check your Wi-Fi speeds, upload and downloads often. You got to make sure that you're getting what you pay for, right? So we recommend, there's a bunch of different network speed testing options out there. I personally like fast.com. It's owned by Netflix. There's not a whole lot of mess going on in the background as far as like cookies and things like that. It's pretty straightforward to use. So just go ahead and type in fast.com. That's going to bring you up a simple page. It's going to start testing your speed right away. Go to the bottom, click on the settings, and you're going to see 3 boxes. Click each one of those 3 boxes and refresh your page. Now you're going to be able to get both your upload and your download speed, and it's going to show you, hopefully, the speeds that you're paying for from your internet service provider. If you're having any issues with that, feel free to reach out to us. Happy to help, and thanks for your time. Stay safe, Rhode Island. God bless.